This is a universal homework for the kids. It's difficult for me. I'm just holding in one hand and recording this quickly. Make random dots on the paper. 5 minutes it will take maximum to do this homework. Less than that. You do a practice at home on this. Make dots like this. Take your pencil. Try to connect the dot making a straight line. See this straight line over here? I'm connecting the dots making a straight line. And don't go outside the dot like this. Don't draw it like this. Okay? Try to draw the line specific dot to dot. Okay? This is very important. See, dot to dot I'm drawing. It's difficult for me because I'm holding a phone on the other hand. But even though if you see, my lines are pretty straight. They are pretty strong. So try to do this. This practice will help you to develop your drawing skills, sketching skills. See, I'm drawing straight boxes everywhere. Let's draw this. It's a simple technique of drawing and you will learn a lot in this. Just random lines. See, here the dot is very far away, so I got a longer line over here. Now from here I'm trying to pull this line, and don't lift your pencil, let it be there. And it's difficult, my paper is moving away. So like this, try to draw your lines. Okay, make a grid, keep drawing. Okay, I want to see this practice work. 5 minutes it will take. Do it daily. Maximum 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and try to keep it straight. If any line is not straight, like this one I have drawn here, it's not straight, erase it and redraw it again. Okay, thank you.